It's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Namita.
And we're talking about the bass clef for the first time. So I'm going to tell you a bunch of information now.
Okay.
Just try to memorize all of it immediately.
Boom.
So, this is called the bass clef. It's called the bass clef because it is for low sounds, and the word bass means low.
Okay.
So it is for middle C and below on the piano keyboard.
Okay.
It has another name. Sometimes it's called the F clef. It's called the F clef because it takes its shape from an old-fashioned letter F, as you can see on your page there. And the second reason it's called the F clef is because it identifies the F line, because the F line goes right between the two dots on the F clef.
Okay.
And in your book, on page 38, you can see they highlight the F line in blue.
Blue. Mm-hmm.
So that line corresponds with F3 on the piano, which is the F right below middle C. So when you see a note on that F line, you know that means play this F. It's not enough to just know that it's F. You have to know which F, because there's a lot of Fs to choose from. And so you know it can't be up here, because that's above middle C.
Mm-hmm.
And that is not where the bass clef belongs.
Okay.
And the bass clef is usually for the left hand.
Mm-hmm.
And the bass clef is located on a staff, which has 5 lines and 4 spaces. So in the bass clef, you can memorize the names of the line notes with the helpful mnemonic device, Gummy Bears Don't Fly Airplanes. And so those letters correspond from bottom to top. Gummy Bears Don't Fly Airplanes.
Okay.
And the keys that those correspond with are G2, Gummy, B3, Bears, Don't is D3, F, from the F line, is F3, Fly, and then Airplanes right here is A4. And then the space notes you can remember from bottom to top again. All cows eat grass. So that starts with this A right here, A3, C3, E3, G3. So gummy bears don't fly airplanes, and all cows eat grass. So you can see, because you're skipping line, 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 so you skip a white key. Skipping space, 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 skip a white key. Does that make sense, kind of?
Kind
A
of.
little bit.
A little bit.
It'll make more sense as we go along.
Yes.
So I would like you to memorize that for now, even if you don't totally understand what it means. And then the other thing,
All cows eat grass, and gummy bears
don't fly
airplanes.
And then which key corresponds with those. And then the other thing that you have to memorize this week are these 3 flashcards. So we have F, which you know is going to be F3, because it's on the F line.
F line.
The one right below middle C. And then G, which you can see is 1 step up.
Yes.
So that's going to be this G right here. And then A4 right here, which is going to be, so you can see they're right next to each other on the keyboard, and they just step up, up, up on the staff. And on the page, it shows you really clearly F, G, A. So, any questions about that?
Not about FGA.
All right. Thumbs up for the bass clef.